Raisen Fort. This fort establishes on the hilltop in the city. This fort shows the equality of two religions because we can find a Hindu temple and a mosque placed within the fort. The imperial fort made has an impressively large stone with an outlier of a rock. Its wall was pierced with 9 gateways. Within the fort's boundaries are 4 palaces: Badal Mahal, Rohini Mahal, Itradaan Mahal and Hawa Mahal. There is a fantastic temple of Lord Shiva in this historical fort, which is open on the occasion of Shivratrievery here for pilgrims. For the fulfillment of the wishes, it is believed that a piece of cloth will be tied on the grill of the gate. The pilgrims who visit the temple on other days tie a piece of fabric on the grill grate to fulfill their wishes. Cave dwellers created beautiful paintings with rock shelters in the fort. Raisen Fort's history has been amazing since the early medieval period, featuring the 800 years old fort that has a water reservoir, fortifications, 9 gateways, temples, domes and several buildings. It is also a shrine of a Muslim saint, Hazrat Pir Fatehullah Shah Baba. Pilgrims have faith in the memorial for the fulfillment of their desires. Since the 16th century, the fort has been under the economic influence of the Rajputs and other Hindu rulers. It is now under a SI custody, Archaeological Survey of India. Earlier, the fort got captured by the Nawabs of Bhopal. A large courtyard and a beautiful pool are in the center to enhance the appearance of a fort. The origin of the Raisen Fort dates back to 1200 AD. Raisen Fort was an important center of administration from the period of its foundation in Hindu time. In the 15th century, this fort got ruled by the Sultans of Mandu, from whom it passed to the Rajput. In 1543, Sher Shah Hasuri was captured from Puranwar. During the rule of Akbar, Raisen was Amanya Sarkar's headquarters in the Subah of Ujjain in Malwa. Fiaz Muhammad Khan, the third Nawab of Bhopal state, ruled over the Raisen in 1760. Later, he was recognized as Faujdar of Raisen by Emperor Alamgir I. During the Mughal period, Kakhra was the headquarters of the area now located in Garatganj Tehsil. Also, it receives its present name during the same Mughal rule. Shahpur was the headquarters of the Pargana. After that, it was moved to Sagoni, which falls in Begumganj Tehsil. The time for visiting this substantial historical edifice Raisen Fort is 10:00 AM to 5:00 PM. The ideal time for visiting the fort is 2-3 hours. If you liked the video, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. See you soon with an interesting episode.